Haochen Quick Tractor Maintenance. Fix common faults yourself. Keep your tractor running strong with these 4 simple checks. 3. Gear oil. Hard shifting and strange noises. Change gear oil at recommended intervals. Clean transmission and rear axle housing. Check oil level. Too low causes noise and shifting issues. 4. Bolts. Knocking engine and loose fasteners. Inspect all critical bolts regularly. Tighten to correct torque. If a bolt keeps loosening, check for damaged threads or worn parts. Prevent downtime. Work smarter. Follow us for more machine information.